Hello! In this video, we're going to cover very briefly how you can get accessible documents on Blackboard. Today, I'm going to be using the Blackboard guidance for students, but you can do this across multiple different Blackboards as well. First, you'll want to find a piece of course content that you can access. Typically, these look like a file, which you can see on mine where it says how to use this module. I've got a little file icon here. If I press into this file, it will load up and you'll be able to see the course contents as normal. Now, to use accessible features, what we do is we head over to the little accessibility A with an arrow just at the top right of this file next to the printing icon. From here, you'll be greeted with a list of different accessible formats that you can access. Once that list is loaded, you can see that there's a wide range of different file types that you can access. We'll go down this list now. So to start off with, we have e-publishing, which is a file format which will allow you to convert this Blackboard document into something a little bit more easily accessible. If you're on sort of a mobile device or tablet device, it will just format that page a little bit easier. You can use these on laptops and PCs. Let's say you lose your internet connection. It's a good way to download a document. However, you will need an additional sort of e-reading application then to go and use that. Next, we have electronic braille. This will turn the document into a sort of braille for those users who have braille devices. Then we have audio. This is very simply an audio version of the document. It will read back with a sort of machine what that document has displayed on there. We then have Beeline Reader, which is a reader that's typically used for dyslexic users. It can highlight text, read different parts of the text out for you. Typically, users do find it easier and faster to read on screen using that technique, so be sure to check that out. We then have Immersive Reader, which is said of the audio one where it removes the visual elements. This will load the document up and will visually display that for you while it reads that document out to you. You'll also be able to change how fast and how slow that document's read back to you too. Last but not least is a translated version of the document as well. Now this uses Google Translate to then translate that document into a different language. Please note that it's not 100% reliable or accurate. It is based on Google Translate. So let's have a look how we would access some of these. I'm going to start very simply by using the audio version. So select audio, scroll right down to the bottom of this list and you'll see there's a big nice download button. From here, you give it a second, it will download that audio version into your downloads folder. You'll see it pops up in the top right corner for me.
Title: How to use this module, and Blackboard. Begin paragraph text. Hi. Welcome to this Blackboard guidance module. This module has been set up to support you with
And as you can hear, it then plays that from there. Let's go ahead and look at something else. Let's look at the Immersive Reader, for example. So we'll select Immersive Reader, press download, and from here it will download that Immersive Reader. Now what's great about Immersive Reader is that there's lots of different options for playback. So in the bottom you'll see that there's a little speaker. We can change how fast or how slow we want that document read back to us. We can also change the text preferences too. So we can move that size of the text so more text is displayed on the screen. When you're happy with this, you simply hit the big play button along the bottom and it will read that document back to you.
Welcome to this Blackboard guidance module.
Great. And when you're happy to return, you simply press exit and it will return you back to this list. Last but not least, let's look at the translated version. Like translated version, then you'll be greeted with a list of languages. When you're happy with the language, press download. From here, it will open up again in your downloads folder. You'll just simply select that download and it'll open that page up on your browser of choice. And like I said previously, it's not 100% accurate or reliable, so please make note of that before you go away and use it.